Today, we're going to show you how to make our Avos on a half shell appetizer. First, we start with 2 Stage 3 avocados from Mexico. Check each for a stem and remove. To cut open, insert your avocado tool at the stem and cut around the avocado in half lengthwise. Gently twist the 2 halves to separate. Place the avo tool at the base of the pit and pop out by applying upward pressure. Then, cut down the center horizontally with your avocado tool. Prepare each well of an oyster grill plate with garlic butter. Then, place 1 quartered avocado in each section of the prepared grill plate. Now, sprinkle Old Bay seasoning on top of each avocado. Generously spoon crab stuffing mix onto each avocado slice. This stuffing is made with fresh lump crab, butter, breadcrumbs, parsley, diced yellow and red bell peppers, lemon juice, and seasonings. Next, top each with a sprinkle of bacon. Then, some shredded Parmesan cheese. Broil the dish until warm and golden brown. Garnish it off with parsley and serve with a small dish of garlic butter. Now you know how to make Avos on a half shell by Avocados from Mexico.
Avocados from Mexico.